I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.
Morning, guys. So we are here at Habitat for Humanity. We're looking for a little stand for okay, we're coming. We're looking for a little stand to put our printer on, so that's what we're here. So let's go to Habitat. This is so interesting. I think it's a wheelchair, honey. Look at this, guys. But it's not for sale. Alright, let's go. Let's build. Oh, look at that guy. Stand up. It's so cold outside. It's so cold. I'm trying to warm up. We didn't find anything. We found one little thing for Jaxson. It's like a, what is it called, baby?
Just like a
sled?
Surfboard.
Surfboard. Found a surfboard for Jaxson.
It's not a surfboard. It's
not a surf.
It's a hoverboard surfboard.
Okay, whatever. It's just something for him to use at the ocean, and also for snow when it snows.
sledding.
It's like it was like $3.
Sledding.
Sledding. Jesus, we heard you. Good morning, Rob.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Rob
Rob is not a fan of the camera.
My face like that.
Rob is not a fan. That's a big dog. I'm gonna show you guys. It's massive in that little car. He's just sitting there. You don't see that dog?
I thought that was a person.
No, it's a dog. I'm gonna show y'all. I hope you guys can see that dog.
Gosh.
That dog is massive. Massive, I tell
It
you.
takes the whole back seat.
Look at him. He's so big. He's not big. Never mind. We're too full to drive. So we just got done with Golden Corral, and yeah, we had a lot of steak. Well, we've been feeding for steak, so we're like, what better place to go eat a whole bunch of steak and get our cravings out than Golden Corral, because it's all you can eat. So we just kept on going back for steak and steak and steak. So now we're filled up. Maddie's tired. She's due for a nap. But hubby did something really bad. So with the waitress that we had that was clearing off our table, she did a really horrible job. She didn't come and clear our table like, you know, she did the other people. So we didn't have any cash to tip her. So I asked her if we could put it on the card. But then after a while, we noticed that she wasn't really clearing our table. So hubby was like, why should we tip her if she's not clearing our table? And she's not like a waitress. She's just there doing her job. So it's not like she get paid minimum wage and rely on tip to make her, you know, her money. She gets paid regular wages. So anyways, we're like, no, you didn't work for it, so why should we just give you our money when that's your job regardless? You know what I mean? So I know a lot of people are gonna be like, well, I'm a waitress and then this and then that. Well, if you don't earn your money, don't expect people are just gonna fork over their hard-earned money just for mediocre service.
You're gonna say fart?
No, fork.
Oh, I thought you said
Fork
fart.
over their money just for mediocre, you know, service. You have to work for it. But
I don't like
anyways, he doesn't like tipping. I
don't
enjoy
believe in it.
tipping if the service is like superb. Like
be
it
above
has
and
to be like honey, you've been doing this since you got out of the womb, like, and you get me to tip you big bucks. But if not, I give you a little $5 here, but I don't just walk out. Him, please. He'll have to like the person. My arm hurt holding this phone. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna go home. He's gonna clean up his basement that has all of my stuff in it. Destiny, you have your belt on? Yes? Okay. He's gonna clean up his basement and just gonna call it a day from there. Just relax. We're back in the house, guys. I went to go look at these other homes that are like close by where we're building. They're much bigger. I meant to say where we built, not building. Well, not much bigger than ours. It's like 100 square feet bigger. But the kitchen is amazing. It has the biggest island ever, which makes me want to build out my island and make it really grand. And then eventually we're going to replace the cabinets. So you see how my cabinet right here has this little space? We're going to get taller cabinets to go all the way to the ceiling. And get actual white cabinet because I painted my cabinet white. And then of course, you know, we're going to replace the appliances and stuff.
Mommy.
Yes, sir? Yes, sir? Say hi, sunshines. Hi, sunshine. Give it kisses. Mwah. Say I love you. Love you. I love you. What's wrong? What's wrong? You want to get up? We are home. Did I tell you guys we were home? Yes, I did. Hubby was supposed to take me to Lowe's, but he's not wanting to take me to Lowe's. Oh, it's so dark. Let's get some lighting up in here. Put the baby on the table. Stand up. What? What's for dinner? Excuse you. There is no dinner. There is no dinner. Golden Corral. You spend the whole week's money on Golden Corral. I want no my dog. Give me kisses. No, not the sunshines. I want kisses. Ah! Give me kisses. No, kiss for me. I love you. This is my baby. This is my baby. So pretty. All right, go to daddy. Tell daddy to change your butt. I wet my pants. Give me a second, Leah. Give me a second. Give me a second. I think I'm going to get Marcelo to work on my bathroom and put up that frame because he's been procrastinating. Hey. We don't behave like that. All right, sit down. Okay. Just a second. Oh, have you guys started working out for your summer body? Have you guys started working on the summer body? Because I haven't started working on the summer body, and I'm thinking maybe tomorrow will be a good day to start working on the summer body. So if you don't want to take off all the layers and look like a big whale, now's a good time to start working on them summer bodies. So yeah, you should definitely start working on the summer body. Me, look at that arm. Look at that. They gotta go. That gotta go. And then I have that big pouch down there. That has to go. Not so much the butt, but I'm just like, I'm ready. I'm ready to get in shape. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready.
I'm ready to eat too.
You ready to eat? You ready to get in shape? I was watching older videos of Rob. He was so skinny. I don't know what happened. It's like 5 years went by and he just got bigger. Can y'all imagine Rob smaller? I can't. Look at him. Look at him, guys. Look. Take up the whole couch. So Rob wants to vlog today. So we're gonna see if Rob can learn how to vlog. So guys, this video is intended for entertainment purposes only. It's meant to create smile, joy. It's not a video where I'm bashing my husband or intended for anyone to get offended. So enjoy. I'm gonna put Rob's vlogging at the end. Okay, here. Is it?
Hi guys, this is Rob.
You gotta hold the camera.
I don't want to hold the camera.
No, put this down.
No, I'm doing something on my phone.
No. And you're gonna look here. So you just say, "Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What are you guys doing today?" Just vlog. Just like, this is Rob. What are you guys doing today? Hey, sunshine.
I can't do this.
So stupid. Why are you so stupid? Why are you so stupid, Rob? All you gotta do is take the phone and pretend like that little eye right there is somebody staring at you. It's creepy as all get out, but trust me, you're talking to someone. Yeah, look at Maddie. Maddie's a pro. Stop! Maddie! Maddie! Who you giving the eye?
She's angry.
So, Rob, we're going to have to work on Rob because this is a family channel and we need the husband because he needs to get with the time. He needs to get with the program. We can't just walk around here, me by myself vlogging. That is just...
What do they want to know? What?
No, you need to take the camera and vlog. Say, good morning, guys. Today I'm making my coffee. I'm walking to my car. I'm going to work. You got to give them detail all about you. Okay? He have no manners, guys. None.
That's what I think.
He burped in the beginning of the vlog. I had to edit it out. Now he done farted at the end. I can't with him. He's not getting this thing down. And I don't know what to do. It'd be nice to have my husband pick up the camera like all these other vlogging family and say hello from time to time without looking like somebody's holding a gun to his head. Come, Rob. Come here. Come.
Use the bathroom.
Come. Look in the little.
I'm looking at the little eye.
Thing. Say hello.
Hello.
No, not like that. I'm sick of looking at the damn videos and all you. Hello. Can you come here? Do it properly. We don't want to hear hello. Here, take the camera. Take the camera.
Hi, Bob.
All right, here. It's not Bob. Actually, you're talking to Deborah. Hey, we gotta get you some light.
Okay.
Come. Say something, Rob.
I did. I said hello, Bob.
No. Get in the light, Rob.
I'm in the light.
All right, say something.
What else am I going to
Say,
say?
I'm getting ready to go cook dinner.
I'm getting ready to go cook dinner.
You have to look here. Stop looking
I'm
at
looking
yourself.
in the eye.
All right. Tell them what you get ready to go do.
I'm getting ready to go cook dinner.
And?
Why do you keep hiding behind my head?
No, because I'm training you.
What are you talking about?
Okay, guys. Rob is ready. We're all calm. He's well trained. Show him some love and support.
Well-trained.
Meaning you guys are gonna comment, like, and all that. Just show him the love, the sunshine love. So without further ado, here is Roberto Albornoz.
You can't put my name out there like that.
The Albornoz are growing. That's the channel name. What the frick? What do you think?
They're gonna look for me.
What? Man, what you thought the channel name was?
I need to change the name.
No, the channel name is your name. Can you turn on back the light, Jordan? You're ruining this right now. Rob, are you ready?
I don't know what to say.
Get down for me. Right,
Get off
this
my
is
unpaid
emotional
couch.
right now. Get off his unpaid couch. All right,
Jason.
it's not paid off. All right, ready? Here we go.
You need to hold the camera for me. I don't like to hold
No,
the
no,
camera.
no. Just take it and just do the thing. All right. Make sure you look at the little eye.
I'm looking at the eye, but I don't know what
You
to
got
say to
it,
them.
Rob. You got it. Say hi, guys. Tell them whatever you want to tell them.
I don't want to tell them anything.
What do you mean?
I went to Golden Corral today. You're stupid.
Okay, we're gonna do this again. Rob got a little cold feet. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, guys, let's be supportive of Daddy. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, Rob. Here you go.
I don't know what you want me to tell these
No,
people.
finish telling them what you did at Golden
did.
Corral and what you did today. Which store you went to? Was it fun?
I went today to Habitat for Humanity. And we didn't find anything.
Make sure you look
Stop
at
it.
Make sure you look at the eye.
Stop.
Don't forget, look at the eye.
Look at the eye, Jason.
All right.
And then after that, we got hungry. And we were passing the Golden Corral.
Tell
We
them
stopped in.
Tell them why you got hungry. Tell them why you got hungry. It's more interesting. Come on.
I got hungry because I was walking a lot.
No, tell them
That's why I got
you went to
hungry.
Golden Corral. Why?
We went for the food.
Why? But why? What kind of food?
Oh, the steak. Yes,
Tell
steak.
them how many pieces of steak you had.
6.
6?
I had 6 pieces of
You have
steak.
to put more into it, Rob. You look fake. Take 4. Okay, take 4. Rob is... We're going to train him, okay? We're going to train him. We're going to train him to a point where he can quit his job and stay home. And he's going to be one of those annoying husbands that you hate staring at early in the morning. This big nose, red face. Here, go, Rob. Go. Come on, Rob. You can do this. Do
Okay.
it like you want to quit your job. Come on.
Okay, I want to quit my job.
No, hold it. Take the camera, Rob.
Yeah,
Take it.
I wanna quit my
Come
job.
on. Take your life in your hand.
That's my life
All
in my
right.
hands.
Make sure
yep.
you put the camera down a little bit more. Not so high up. Make sure
Okay.
they can see the pecs. All right. Want to see that. All right.
Okay.
Go, Rob.
All right, what else do you want to know?
Tell them something. Tell them your birthday. Tell them.
My birthday?
Yeah. Tell them you have a birthday with Destiny. And
Yeah, I have a
something
birthday
fun.
with Destiny. We share the same day.
And tell them what happened when she was born. Like a brief overview. Something. Come on, Rob.
No, I'm not saying all that.
No, come on.
No, we're not talking about all that.
All right. Let's start slow.
Okay.
What's your name?
Rob.
Rob, aka
Rob.
Rob, aka
Nothing.
nothing. Okay, all right, move it down. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to watch TV.
Like to watch TV? What else? What motivates you? What drives you? What fuels you? What strokes your
What? Strokes? What? Money.
money? All right, keep going. Give them that look, babe. That look.
What's the look?
That look. You're giving them that look like I don't know you. Get out of my
Yeah.
house. Come on.
Why the hell am I? Why did I
Give
do
them
this?
that friendly eye. Open your eye a little bit wider. Wider. Too wide. No. Just small. No. Okay, guys. So I think what happened is, and what's going to happen, we're gonna have to keep working with Rob so he can be, better at this and be more, he smile and it's genuine. You can actually feel like you're welcome in his home and he's not bothered by the camera. Look at his face now.
I'm not bothered by the camera. I just don't know what these people want me to talk about.
What these people? Look at how you address them. These people, they have names. Sunshine.
Sorry, my son.
The sunshines.
What would they like to
My
know
little
about me?
sunshine.
They just want to see you more involved and I'm not holding you hostage or you're not bothered by the camera. I'm not holding you hostage. Stop telling lies.
They are correct.
Anyways, we had enough. We're riled up. Kids are riled up. That's the reason why I have one on my back.
You gave a sugar.
Shut it!
Say hi, Bob.
Hi, Bob.
Hello.
Anyways, guys, this is going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the training of Rob. Pretty soon he's going to take over
Hi, Bob.
and run this channel.
Hi, Bob.
If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and join the madness. We're not always... Okay, I can't. The hell? If you're not a subscriber, don't mind my toddler. She's not like that all the time, but she's just hyped up on sugar. So if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's somewhere over here, somewhere. And become a sunshine. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, Bobs.
Bye, Bob.
Say bye, Rob.
Bye, Bobs.